Look, there's no surprise, but live streaming has really blown up in the last few years. So if you want your stuff to stay at the top of the newsfeed, or you want to get up close and personal with your audience, live streams are an awesome weapon for any creator. So you want to do a live stream to your coaching clients. Well, the first thing you need to do is head over to YouTube and set up a YouTube live stream. You want this live stream to be unlisted. An unlisted YouTube live stream is only visible to people who have the link to watch, and only your paying customers should get to join this particular stream. Make the video unlisted, and then we can connect it with your SamCart Courses app. YouTube's gonna give you a link to that live stream. You wanna copy that and head back over to the SamCart Courses app. Once you are there, create a new unit or a new lesson for this live stream event. And then over in the side, you wanna choose to have a featured video for that lesson. All you do is paste in that URL to your new live stream that you just created on YouTube. The only thing left to do is to tell your customers when the stream is happening and tell them to go log into your courses area and watch. Just like that, your clients have a private live stream, streaming directly into their SamCart Courses app, where they can watch live, or they'll be able to watch after it is over anytime that they need. So thanks for watching this one, guys. Remember to subscribe to the SamCart YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one.